Hello and welcome, all my joyful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully, you all are good and doing very good in your life. So, today, let's talk about something very fundamental. Essentially, if we say tension, stress, anger, resentment, jealousy, or whatever, essentially, it is our own intelligence have turned against us. In the nature of existence, things not happening like this, that we cannot drink poison and we expect others to die. In the nature of existence, things only happening like this, that we drink poison and we die. This emotion is like poison. We must to ensure, and people are continuously arguing about this, that this emotion is natural, like tension, stress, anger, anxiety. No, this emotion is not natural. We must to ensure, instead of this, peacefulness, blissfulness, happiness, joy, wonderfulness, these things must to be the natural emotion. Because in the outside world, many things going happening our way, many things not happening our way, but we must to ensure these things, these one things must to happen like our way. Because essentially all human chemistry happen from inside, not outside. It is always inside out, not outside in. If you expect that all the material things or the mundane things will gives you happiness, no. Because something is in our inside that is always wants to know, that is always wants to grow. In the physical universe, there is no such things as infinite exploration or infinite dimension. That is only possible in the unphysical realm. So make sure these one things happen the way you want or we want, because this is the most sophisticated machine in the world. From this one, everything happening outside. So that's it from today's video. Thank you so very much for watching. And in the last, as I say, if we do not do what we cannot do, no problem. But if we do not do what we can do, then really we are a disaster in our lives. Make sure we are not and you are not disaster in your life. Thank you so much. Namaskar.